Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. This is my simple recipe for today. This is a sauteed broccoli with chicken legs. Look at this. This is a fresh broccoli with chicken legs. Yan, this is it. Just simply stir fry the onions, garlic, and bay leaves with tomato and keep the chicken cook well and then season it with garlic powder, paprika powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and add a little bit of salt. It depends on your taste, and you can add oyster sauce or a chili powder. Then when it is already cooked, I did not add water this one because the chicken has its own juices and also the tomatoes. So when it is already tender, you can add the broccoli. Look at this. And now this is ready to be served. This is yummy and it is ideal to serve with rice, or you can match this one with salad or bread. Any bread that you want to match with this food. So very easy to prepare, and this is a very healthy, yummy diet food. This is recommended for a person who has a diabetic or a high blood person. This is a very yummy, healthy diet food. Chicken legs with broccoli. Sauteed broccoli with chicken. So look at this, guys. I will show you. This is it. Look. This is the chicken legs. And this is the broccoli. Now this is ready to be served. And this is the broccoli, guys. This is very fresh. Look at this one, still very green. Do not overcook the broccoli that looks like already pale or something brown already, or like it's like color gray. So this is half cooked, not overcooked, but it is just cooked normally, but not overcooked, because if you overcook your broccoli, the color will change and the vitamins will be gone. And look at this. This is juicy. I did not add any water. This is just the water or the juice extracted from the chicken and from the tomatoes. So bon appetit. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this simple menu, sauteed broccoli with chicken legs. And please do subscribe, leave a comment in order to improve my cooking skills, and share this video. If you're new to Leytenia'S Kitchenette, please do subscribe and share my video. And keep watching. I have more videos to be uploaded soon. Bon appetit. Maraming salamat. Buhot-buhot shukriya. Farasto puli. Dankeschön. Shukran jazilan. Merci beaucoup. Buen gracias. Gracias. And farasto puli. Maraming salamat. Kakain na tayo. Let's eat this very yummy, healthy chicken legs with broccoli. This is it. Masarap ito, guys. Look at this. This is very yummy, healthy diet food. Masarap yan. This is very good to serve with chicken. with rice. So, okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bon appetit.